Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on artificial intelligence tools everyone should know. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about AI? Well, in today's digital age, AI is everywhere from our smartphones to our homes. But what exactly is AI, and how can it help us? Let's find out. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which refers to computer systems that can think and learn like humans. But don't worry, we're not going to dive into complex algorithms and programming languages. Instead, we'll explore some practical AI tools that you can start using today. Virtual assistants. Let's start with virtual assistants. These AI-powered tools can help you manage your daily tasks, schedule appointments, and even control your smart home devices. Think of them like a personal assistant, but without the coffee breaks. Some popular virtual assistants include Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Language translation tools. Did you know that there are AI-powered language translation tools that can help you communicate with people who speak different languages? These tools use machine learning to translate text and speech in real time. Google Translate is a popular example, but there are many others available. Image recognition tools. Next up are image recognition tools, which use AI to identify objects and scenes in images. These tools can be used for everything from photo editing to medical diagnosis. For example, the tool What's That Picture can help you identify objects and animals in your photos. Writing and proofreading tools. If you're a writer or a student, you might be interested in AI-powered writing and proofreading tools. These tools can help you with grammar, spelling, and even suggest improvements to your writing. Grammarly is a popular example, but there are many others available. Chatbots. Finally, let's talk about chatbots. These AI-powered tools can help you communicate with businesses and organizations, providing customer support and answering your questions. For example, the tool Drift can help you chat with customer support teams in real time. Recap and conclusion. So, what did we cover today? We explored 6 AI tools that you should know, including virtual assistants, language translation tools, image recognition tools, writing and proofreading tools, and chatbots. These tools can help you with everything from everyday tasks to complex projects. Call to action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. We'd love to hear from you.